Top 11 kitten foods of 2024 vet-approved picks. We all know that feeling, that furry little bundle of energy that just melts your heart the second you lay eyes on them. You do anything for your new kitten, and that all starts with proper care. Ensuring your kitten grows into a healthy adult cat starts with deciding what to feed them. The best kitten food supports their development throughout their first year of life and makes them look forward to mealtime. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 11 kitten foods of 2024 based on expert opinions and, of course, my years of experience dealing with those finicky feline appetites. Kicking things off with a brand I trust, we've got the IAMS Proactive Health Kitten Formula. Now, I've seen my fair share of kittens in my day, and let me tell you, they can be tough on kibble. This stuff, though, it's designed specifically with those tiny teeth and gums in mind. The small kibble size makes it easy for them to crunch down. And trust me, every kitten appreciates a good, easy-to-chew meal. But it's not just about convenience. This formula is packed with nutrients that mimic what they'd get from their mama's milk. Things like vitamin E, DA, fiber, and prebiotics. These are the building blocks for a healthy gut, which, as any cat lover knows, is crucial for a happy feline. We're talking about supporting their immune system, promoting healthy digestion, and setting them up for a lifetime of good health. And let's be real, nobody wants a gassy kitten. IAMS has always been about quality, and this proactive health kitten food is no exception. All right, let's talk about those kittens who turn their noses up at kibble. Some cats are just wired for wet food, and that's where Fancy Feast Kitten Tender Ocean Whitefish Feast comes in. This ain't your average supermarket slop, folks. We're talking about a pat texture that's smooth, enticing, and packed with flavor. And the best part, it's made with real milk and essential vitamins like E, B12, and D3. These are crucial for a kitten's growth and development. Plus, you can rest easy knowing that Fancy Feast doesn't cut corners. No artificial preservatives or colors here, just pure, delicious nutrition that your kitten will go bonkers for. And let's be honest, who can resist that adorable face when they're begging for more? Now, for those of you with kittens who have sensitive stomachs, we've got to be extra careful about what goes into their food. That's where Merrick Purrfect Bistro grain-free healthy kitten recipe comes in. This dry food is like the gourmet option for your little carnivore. We're talking about real deboned chicken, salmon oil for those essential omega fatty acids, and even potatoes and cranberries for added flavor and nutrition. But here's the kicker, it's completely grain-free. That means no wheat, no corn, no soy, just pure digestible goodness that won't upset your kitten's tummy. And to top it all off, Merrick packs this formula with probiotics, antioxidants, and omega fatty acids, which are essential for supporting a healthy immune system, promoting healthy skin and a shiny coat, and ensuring your kitten has the energy to keep up with their playful antics. It's like giving your kitten a head start on a long, healthy life. Let's face it, some kittens are just picky eaters. They want texture, they want variety, they want to be surprised. That's where Purina Pro Plan Kitten Shredded Blend Chicken and Rice formula comes in. This isn't your average boring kibble. We're talking about a mix of crunchy kibble and tender shredded chicken pieces that will have your kitten licking their bowl clean. It's like a feast in every bite. And don't let the deliciousness fool you. This formula is packed with everything a growing kitten needs. We're talking DHA for brain and vision development, calcium and phosphorus for strong bones and teeth, and a healthy dose of probiotics and antioxidants to keep their immune system in tip-top shape. Purina Pro Plan is all about providing targeted nutrition for every life stage, and this kitten formula is specially designed to give your little furball the best possible start. When it comes to feeding your kitten, you can't go wrong with a brand that veterinarians trust. Hill's Science Diet. Kitten Healthy Development Chicken recipe is a classic choice for a reason. This dry food is made with all natural ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your kitten's bowl. No chicken byproduct meal, artificial flavors, synthetic colors, or preservatives here. Plus, it's packed with everything your kitten needs to thrive, including DHA from fish oil for brain development, vitamin C and E for immune support, and prebiotics for digestive health. Hill's Science Diet is all about using science to create nutrition that makes a difference in the lives of pets, and this kitten formula is a testament to that commitment. As for the health-conscious cat parent, Wellness Complete Health Natural Dry Kitten food is a great option. This dry food is made with natural ingredients and is free from all the bad stuff, meat byproducts, fillers, and artificial preservatives. It's like giving your kitten a healthy, home-cooked meal, but without all the hassle. But it's not just about what's not in this food, it's about what is. Wellness Complete Health packs this formula with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, E, zinc, calcium, phosphorus, and fiber to support your kitten's overall health and well-being. And because we all know how important gut health is for cats, they've also added prebiotics and probiotics to support healthy digestion. Chapter 7. Wellness Complete Health Grain-Free Whitefish and Tuna Entree. Back on the wet food train, we have Wellness Complete Health Grain-Free Whitefish and Tuna Entree. This is another fantastic option for kittens with sensitive stomachs. This grain-free wet food has a smooth pâté texture that kittens love, and it's made with natural ingredients like whitefish, tuna, carrots, pumpkin, flax seeds, and cranberries. It's like a Thanksgiving feast for your little feline friend. Wellness Complete Health doesn't skimp on the good stuff either. This formula is packed with fish oil for DHA, which is essential for brain and vision development, and prebiotics to support healthy digestion. Plus, it's completely grain-free, so it's easy on sensitive tummies. Chapter 8. Royal Canin Feline Health Nutrition Thin Slices in Gravy. Sometimes you just can't beat the classics. Royal Canin Feline Health Nutrition. Thin slices in gravy is a tried-and-true option that has been a favorite among kittens and cat parents for years. This wet food features thin slices of meat in a savory gravy that is simply irresistible to kittens. And because Royal Canin knows that nutrition is key, they've packed this formula with antioxidants like vitamins E and C to support a healthy immune system, as well as fish oil for DHA to support brain and vision development. One of the things I love about Royal Canin is that they offer a wide variety of formulas to meet the specific needs of different cats, and this kitten formula is specially designed to support healthy growth and development. It's also available as a pâté loaf in sauce, so you can find the perfect texture for your picky eater. Chapter 9 Hill's Science Diet, Kitten Liver and Chicken Entree. Another winner from Hill's Science Diet, the Kitten Liver and Chicken Entree, is a great option for kittens who love a little variety in their diet. Available in multiple flavors, this wet food is made with easily digestible ingredients that are gentle on your kitten's stomach. We're talking real liver and chicken, plus essential vitamins and minerals to support healthy growth and development. Like all Hill's Science Diet formulas, this one is backed by science and has been carefully formulated to meet the unique nutritional needs of kittens. It's packed with vitamins C and E for immune support, DHA from fish oil for brain development, and prebiotic fibers for digestive health. Chapter 10, Blue Buffalo Baby Blue Natural Kitten Wet Cat Food. Rounding out our list is Blue Buffalo Baby Blue Natural Kitten Wet Cat Food. This brand has a loyal following, and for good reason. Their baby blue formula is made with real chicken as the first ingredient and is free from all the stuff you don't want in your kitten's food, like corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavors, and preservatives. It's a great option for kittens with food sensitivities or allergies. The pâté texture is easy for kittens to eat, and it's packed with healthy ingredients like fish oil for DHA, brown rice for energy, flax seeds for omega-6 fatty acids, sweet potatoes for antioxidants, and carrots for vitamins and minerals. Blue Buffalo is all about providing pets with healthy, natural food, and their baby blue formula is no exception. It's a great choice for kittens who are just starting out on their culinary journey. Chapter 11. Ask your vet. Listen, at the end of the day, every kitten is an individual, and what works for one might not work for another. That's why it's so important to talk to your veterinarian about the best diet for your furry little friend. They can assess your kitten's individual needs, taking into account their breed, age, activity level, and any health concerns. Remember, feeding your kitten isn't just about filling their belly, it's about providing them with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. Think of it this way: a healthy diet is the foundation for a long, happy, and playful life for your feline companion. So don't be afraid to ask your vet for recommendations. They're your partner in your kitten's health and well-being. Utro, that's a wrap. So there you have it, folks. Our top 11 picks for the best kitten foods of 2024. Remember, the best food for your kitten is one that supports their growth and development, makes mealtime something they look forward to, and meets their individual needs. Consult with your veterinarian to ensure you're meeting your kitten's nutritional needs, and don't be afraid to experiment with different brands and flavors to find what your little furball loves best. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more pet care tips